Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this amazing facial scrub. It's very gentle on the skin, really helps to remove dead skin cells, and it moisturizes the skin at the same time, and it also helps to brighten the skin. Let's get right into the video. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So the first ingredients you would need is lime. You would also need some pure honey. Manuka honey is best, but this is what I had. And then you need some brown sugar and extra virgin olive oil. This is super simple and works amazingly. So here I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. I ended up adding 2 more tablespoons of brown sugar to the recipe. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box. This is what helps to remove all the dead skin cells, and it's not harsh on the skin at all. It's very gentle. Honey is a humectant, so it helps to trap moisture on the skin. It's full of antioxidants and it helps to prevent acne, and it helps to moisturize the skin as well. Olive oil works amazingly for moisturizing the skin, and it has anti-aging properties as well. Lime is like one of the best things you could use for your skin. It really helps to brighten and lighten dark spots. It helps to prevent acne, and it does so very gently. It's not harsh for the skin at all. With this scrub, I would only make it in small batches because it will go off after about a week or so, and if you're using it in the shower, chances are you're going to get water in it, so you're better off just making a small batch, finishing it, and then making more later on. And I do this twice a week. Twice a week is enough. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin. So basically I combined all the ingredients, gave it a really good stir, and that was pretty much it. So as you can see, it was a little bit runny, and that's why I ended up adding 2 more tablespoons of brown sugar. You guys should try this out and let me know how you go. It doesn't leave the skin feeling stripped at all. Once you're done exfoliating with this scrub, you basically wash your face as you normally would with a cleanser, and then you're basically good to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment below, let me know if you've tried any scrubs that have worked well for you, or if you've tried anything similar to this. Thank you, I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair for regular updates on what I'm up to, new products that I'm introducing on my website, and whenever I upload a video as well.